Looks like a hummingbird. That's spider's web. Wild. This is the second time that I went on a walk listening to Pharoah Sanders' Harvest Time and was greeted with this imagery. A leaf that has fallen from the tree that has not been able to be released because it's being held in a state of suspended animation, as if there's a new creative cycle weaving as we speak. Something is not going to fall away. It's more in a chrysalis state. It sort of reminds me of the cocoon hanging from the tree. It also looks like the leaf above it is a dragon watching over its final stages of transformation, so it's warded in this process. If you look closely, you will see it.